How to sync WhatsApp contacts on Android. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a pretty clean guide on how to do so for our Android application. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can refresh the contacts in WhatsApp. For that, open up the WhatsApp first and look out for the three dot in the top right corner. And once we tap on it, we can look out for the refresh or the refresh or something option that will basically force WhatsApp to resync our contact. And while we are trying to save the number, make sure that the save number is saved on our phone's contacts application, including the country code as well. And we can enable the contact permissions as well. So again, tap on the three dot, look out for the settings. And from here, we can look out for the permissions or turn on contacts. So go ahead and find that option. It should be under privacy, tap on privacy. And from there, go to the option called contacts. So scroll down, find contacts. And there you can select the option of WhatsApp contacts and turn it on. And contacts are saved to your WhatsApp account to manage them across the device. And WhatsApp will pull contacts from our phone's synced contact list as well. That is one of the methods. Apart from that, we can restart WhatsApp. We can close the WhatsApp application completely and then again reopen it to refresh everything. And if these fixtures does not still work, the last method we can do is we can restart our WhatsApp or our device itself, and that should also work out for us. Usually these are the method we can follow up in order to sync WhatsApp contacts on Android. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.